What's up, guys? Killer B from Srkcycles.com.
It's Sean here from Srkcycles.com.
Wow.
Sweet,
guys,
man. I can't wait to test drive it.
I want to do the walk around video on this bike, and I'm super hyped. A couple little scratches back there, not a huge deal. Guys, this is 1996. This thing is 22 years old. It is almost as old as me. It's a couple years newer than me, but there's some dripping on the bags. Guys, it's a 1996! Got some scuffing on the engine there. Scuffing right down there. Couple things I want to point out. One, it's got the scratching on the fairing here. Scratch on this lever. Scratches on the mirrors. Not a huge deal. Another thing, this is super common, but the engineering here was not at its finest, but they tend to melt right there a little bit, and that's pretty common with these bikes because that exhaust is right there with no cover on it. So there's no heat shield, it melts there, not a huge deal, guys. Scrape on that front fender. Man, this bike is so good looking. It's all in really good shape. It's the same way on the other side. Melting right down in there. Not a huge deal. I don't know why that would matter at all. You can't even really tell. Some scuffing on the bags. Seat's in great shape. Bada bing, bada boom. It's in amazing shape. It does have a battery tender right there. Top of this tank's in great shape. Now, here comes the ABS. Are you kidding me? The only thing I think this thing doesn't have. Yo, Sean, is this the only BMW you've ever had without heated grips?
Say what? Yeah, maybe.
No heated grips. It's too early. Alright, guys, here it comes. Watch this. Watch this. This is my finger. It's about to press this button. Oh my gosh, it fired it right away! So hot. Guys, this bike runs amazing. The tread on the front is amazing. The tread on the rear, check it, check it. It's great. You could buy this bike and ride it for days. Oh, the next thing I want to show you, Sean, what's this service stack here? How's this work? Walk me through this.
Oh, yeah.
We have two Beamers, and I have a stack for both Beamers.
That's for the other bike.
That's for the other bike. This is for the 96.
Bike. I think he said he's got service records for the past 15 years. There's the manual.
Manual. Boom. That's probably worth mad money.
Reflector.
Reflector. Bam.
All right, there's the 6,000 mile service.
Oh yeah, this has got 31,000 on it.
Here's the 12,000 mile service. Here's all the paperwork where he spent $187. And then did stuff here. And then 435. 281. All those things were done.
At a Ducati and BMW dealer?
Yeah, 320. So the guy, and this is just paperwork and paperwork and paperwork and paperwork and paper. So it's all,
like,
it's $1,700.
Like $5,000 in there with the paperwork.
Oh, I'd say more than that. I mean, I would guess maybe 100,000. 250, 32, 600. I mean, so it's serviced up.
It runs amazing.
So when you guys are looking at a BMW like that, your concern might be, oh, well, you know, is it serviced up? Well, it is, and it's super nice. So if you do want to, apparently it's like 100 horsepower.
What?
I think he was telling me it had a tune in it, and apparently it's like over 100 horsepower. I'll be the judge of that when I drive it, but I can't wait. So check out the test drive.
Dang, check out the test drive, guys. 1996 BMW R1100 RS. That is a mouthful. Thanks so much for watching, guys.